Hello, this is Tom Fazzard from New Berlin, Wisconsin. Thanks for stopping by. Hey, I just have a brief video here to offer you one way to change that 404 error code message that shows up when people type in the wrong URL or possibly go to a page that no longer exists. I always thought it was the generic or default one was a little cold, impersonal. This route, these instructions will show you how you can change the code on yours to give your page a little more of a human touch, a little warmer. Now you notice that this is designed for WordPress, and the example I'll show you is WordPress, but the steps may work in other platforms as well. If you use Joomla or something else, take a look and see if your page looks the same. This is an example of a typical default error 404 page. And what I'm getting at is the fact that it just says not found. The page you're looking for no longer exists. Well, let's warm that up a little bit. I know there are plugins or add-ons that you could acquire that could give a page a real professional look, and I've seen those out there. But this step is for in the meantime. While you're in your editor, go to the Appearance tab, click on that, and select Editor from the list of options. When you do that, you'll be given this page. You'll see all these links along the right side. The one you want in particular is 404 template, and I think it'll always show up on top in WordPress. When you click on that, you'll come back to a page that'll look like this with the copy inside. Now, to avoid potentially affecting my own page, I copied that and just pasted the code into this PowerPoint page. The parts I wanted to point out here are first, up here near the top, it's this H2, that's your header. On the default page, this read error, page not found, 404, something like that. Well, just put your cursor there and change that. Create the header that you would like. In this case, I write, bummer, this page has moved. Now, it's also true that the person just simply typed the wrong URL, but you don't want to suggest that to the visitor. Then in the next section, which is broken out or highlighted by these paragraph marks, it used to say the page you stepped on or visited no longer exists. Change that. And in my case, I also hyperlink. I mentioned go to my home page. You can review the blog from the beginning. I also embedded an image. Here's the code for that, the image class, etc. And then filled it out. And you'll end up, you actually be typing from this P prompt down through just before the slash division. Leave this other stuff in there. So just here in the middle that you'll be typing. And the result, at least in my case, looks like this. I think it adds a little bit of a personality to the page. Of course, the people have the links or the tabs up here like they do on that other example I showed you. But I do provide the link, take them right to my home page if they'd like. The one thing I noticed here is my name and address didn't show up lower where I'd like. I may work on that. But at least my page is a little warmer than the default version that WordPress offers. Hope this helps. Feel free to stay in touch. There's my email address. You're welcome to visit my blog, which is right here. You saw part of that. And connect with me on any of these social media platforms. Thanks again for stopping by, and good luck on your blogging.